Welcome back to Money Talks with Adia, your go-to channel for building a financially stronger future. I'm Adia, and today we're talking about getting 2026 ready. The clock is ticking. We're just 3 months away from the end of 2025. Have you hit your financial targets for the year? Or are you feeling the pinch as the year winds down? No matter where you stand, now is the time to pivot and prepare for a powerhouse 2026. Many of us, whether we're just starting out, juggling family life, or navigating mid-career shifts, often find ourselves playing catch-up with our finances. Life happens, and sometimes those carefully laid plans from January drift. But here's the good news. It's never too late to take control. This isn't about dwelling on what didn't happen. It's about strategizing for what will happen. We're going to break down 3 crucial steps you can take right now to set yourself up for financial success in the new year. Our first and arguably most critical step for every family and individual is fortifying your emergency fund. Think of it as your financial shock absorber. Life throws curveballs, unexpected medical bills, job loss, car repairs. Without an emergency fund, these curveballs can send your finances spiraling into debt. We recommend aiming for at least 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. And here's a pro tip. Park that money in a high-yield savings account, or HYSA. Unlike a traditional savings account, an HYSA offers significantly higher interest rates, meaning your money works harder for you, even as it sits ready for when you need it most. It's accessible, secure, and smart. Next, you need to track your savings. You wouldn't embark on a road trip without checking your fuel gauge, would you? The same applies to your money. Understanding your current financial position, your baseline, is paramount. This means knowing exactly how much you're saving, where it's going, and how much you're spending. There are countless free budgeting apps and tools that can help you categorize your income and expenses. This isn't about deprivation, it's about awareness. When you see where your money is actually going, you can make informed decisions, identify areas for improvement, and celebrate your progress. This clarity is your financial health report. And finally, our third crucial action: invest, invest, invest. This might sound intimidating, especially if you haven't planned well in the past, but it's simpler than you think. Investing isn't just for the wealthy. It's how you build wealth over time. Even small, consistent contributions can grow significantly thanks to the power of compounding. Consider low-cost index funds, ETFs, or even exploring your company's 401k plan, especially if it offers an employer match. That's free money you'd be leaving on the table. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back. Start small, educate yourself, and consult with a financial advisor if you need personalized guidance. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. So, 3 actionable takeaways for you today. Build your emergency fund and house it in a high-yield savings account. Track your savings to understand your financial baseline and improve your money health. Start investing now. Consistency is key to long-term wealth building. Don't wait until January 1st to start. Take these steps today and make 2026 your most financially secure year yet. Hit that like button, subscribe for more money insights, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. This is Adia, reminding you that your financial future is in your hands. See you next time on Money Talks.